Good night, Cole.
Good night, Elena.
Okay, now since my parents are asleep, I will grab my mother and father and get them injured by the ceiling fan. That will get them back big time. Ha 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 ha.
Dora. What are you up to this time?
I am going to pick you up first, Mom, and you will get hit by the ceiling fan.
Dora, what the fuck? Are you crazy? Get out of our fucking room, you crazy daughter of a bitch. Dora, let me go right now if you know what feels good for you. Let me go. Right now.
Nope. Say whatever you want, but it's time to have my revenge.
Dora, you also have been fucking grounded for life for this. Go, help me.
You're up next, Dad.
Stop it, Dora. Somebody call the ambulance. 911, open up.
Oh shit! I gotta get out of here.
What happened? Someone tell me. You little girl, did you cause this to your parents? Tell me right now.
No. Not at all, sir.
Don't bullshit with me. Tell me the truth.
Okay, fine. I did this to my parents because they always treat me like hell. Are you gonna arrest me?
Big time. You seriously thought you would not get arrested for this? You are going to jail for a very long time, you idiot. Get in the freaking police car right now. I will call an ambulance to take your parents to the hospital. Let's go now.
Dora, how fucking dare you made us end up at the hospital by getting us hit by the ceiling fan? Did you know you would have gotten us killed by your stupid pathetic fucking ideas?
I'm so sorry, Mom and Dad. I didn't know what I was up to. I give you guys the strongest apology in the...
Dora, you seriously think that saying sorry every time you do stuff bad does not help? You're grounded for life, and no, that isn't child abuse because look what you made us now.
Go to your room right now before you make yourself or temper.
Wah 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 wah.